Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add tax class or tax rates in Woocommerce on a WordPress website. As you can see, I'm into the WordPress admin dashboard as of now. In the left side settings, left side toolbar, we have an option of Woocommerce, right? We have already installed Woocommerce plugin on our WordPress website, so I have simply moved my cursor on the Woocommerce, and here a sub menu appeared in front of me, and I'm going to select the settings option from there. Okay, so we are into the settings, and here we are going to the tax settings, right? So in the top menu you will see the tax settings tab, and I have clicked over here, and here when we scroll down there are additional tax classes, right? That is standard rate, zero rate, or whatever, right? So first of all, like, let me write 0. Okay, standard rate is by default, right? Apart from that standard rate tax class, I'm also adding a zero rate tax class and going to click on save change. Now here you can see in the tax sub settings we have 3 options. The first one is tax option, where we have simply mentioned 0 as additional tax class and clicked on save. And in the standard rates, I have clicked on the standard rates. I have already mentioned few tax classes. Now I'm going to remove these rows. You would not see these rows initially if you have not added any tax rate. Okay, here you need to click on insert row in the standard rate tax settings. It is asking us about the country code, and here in the country code I will simply type IN for India and will select India, then it's a country code, right? And here we can simply mention the state. So for Rajasthan I will type RJ. Here we will not enter any postcode or zip code because we are not going because the tax doesn't get changed as per the postcode or zip code, but as WooCommerce is international, so they have given this option as well, right? If in your country like tax slab changes according to the postcode, then you can simply enter those postcode where you want to charge this particular tax slab. Here we are also not going to mention any city because in our country like tax is same at the state level, right? In the rate you can simply type as 18% GST. Here in the rate we are going to type 9%, and here in the tax name we are going to type SGST, right? It is the priority 1 tax, right? And we are not going to compound, so we have simply unchecked this, and we are not going to charge on the shipping. Now inserting a new row, IN, RJ, and for the state code, and in the rate I'm again going to type 9, and in the tax name I'm going to type CGST, and this is the priority 2 tax, right? I'm not going to compound this tax as well, and neither the shipping I'm going to charge this tax. Okay, clicking on insert row again, here we will type IN DL for New Delhi, 18% IGST. Okay, unchecking this shipping and compound, and now again clicking on insert row, again IN for Madhya Pradesh, might be MP is the state code, and here in the rate again I'm going to enter the 18%. I hope you know when CGST and SGST and when IGST are charged. Like if buyer and seller both are in same state, then SGST and CGST is charged, whereas if you are selling in other state, then IGST itself is charged, right? So again it is the priority 1 tax, and we are not going to compound. Like what compounding is, choose whether or not this is a compound rate. Compound tax rates are applied on top of other tax rates, right? For example, if you are selling a product at 100 rupee cost, and after adding the tax of 18%, the cost came to 180, then do you want to charge 18% on that particular 18 rupee increase also, right? So we are not going to charge in such kind, because our tax regulation doesn't allow us to do this. And if we check in the shipping, then what would happen? Choose whether or not this tax rate also get applied to shipping. So this tax rate would not be applied to shipping, as in shipping we have already charged according to inclusive of tax rates in the shipping charge. And now in the same manner you can create rows for each and every state. And if you are selling your product outside India or like in other countries, then also you need to create new rows for those countries. Now click on save change. In the similar way, if you are selling any product or service which do not have any tax and is tax exempted item, then you can simply enter a new row. You need to insert a new row. As you have seen that I have mentioned IN as country code, and in the state code I have mentioned DL, and in the tax rate I am going to enter 0, and here I am going to mention the IGST, right? And in shipping again I am going to uncheck, and compounding again I am going to uncheck. And in this way you can simply add the another states as well and keep the rate as 0. And whenever you create a product that is tax exempted, then you need to select the 0 rate tax, right? Now clicking on save change, and this is how you can add tax classes in Woocommerce on a WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Woocommerce, I have already mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Woocommerce. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.